How to use Burner app. In this video, I'll be explaining how to use the Burner app. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. Burner is an app that allows you to create temporary phone numbers for calls, texts, and other communications. It's useful for privacy, online transactions, dating, or situations where you don't want to share your personal number. Getting started with Burner is simple. Once you download the app, you can create a new number, which acts as a secondary line on your phone. You can choose the area code, set the number's duration, and even select from different plans depending on how long you need it active. The app lets you make calls and send texts from your Burner number, just like a regular phone line. This helps keep your personal number private and ensures that any messages or calls you receive don't go to your main phone line. You can also manage multiple numbers simultaneously if needed, which is handy for business, side projects, or online sales. One key feature is the ability to delete or burn numbers when you no longer need them. This ensures that the number is completely disconnected from your account, protecting your privacy and stopping any unwanted contact. Burner also supports custom voicemail greetings, call forwarding, and auto replies, which makes it versatile for both personal and professional use. If you're using it for temporary projects, online buying, selling, or dating, these features can help you manage communication efficiently without exposing your personal information. The app is generally easy to navigate. You can view your active numbers, track usage, and manage subscriptions from the dashboard. Burner offers both free and paid plans. The free version gives you limited features and time for temporary numbers, while paid plans unlock longer-term use, more numbers, and advanced options. While Burner is convenient, it's important to note that numbers may expire or be reclaimed if not renewed, and some features require a paid subscription. It's best suited for short-term privacy needs, rather than as a full replacement for your main phone number. Overall, the Burner app is a useful tool for maintaining privacy, controlling communications, and managing temporary phone numbers. Whether for online transactions, dating, or business, it gives you flexibility and control over who can reach you.